Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all of my McDonald's Minecraft toys because they're the best toy release honestly they've ever did. Just best collab from Minecraft. So for some reason I do like keeping the boxes. So I have 3 adult meal boxes as you can see here. I also have the box for whatever this thing is, I don't even know what you call it. Then I have one of my personal favourites for the Happy Meals, the Minecraft Wolf Box. Now on to the cards. I have 2 Big Mac Crystal cards, which you will not be seeing the code for because, yes, I do play Minecraft. And then I have 1 Fry Helmet cards. I don't keep all of the cards, which was sad, but that's alright. So this is one from the Happy Meal. It's like the Minecraft Steve one, where you open it and I don't even know what the point of this is. You get Minecraft Steve Chicken Jockey. Sorry if I made you guys cringe, but the next one is the Minecraft Happy Meal B, and I love the way the Happy Meal ones do this, the little flappy. Next, the one I showed you the box for, the wolf. Now onto the adult meal ones. I just need 1 more, which is Birdie, and then I've completed the collection. Starting off with the most common one, I do have quite a lot of these. The Big Mac Crystals. I have 3 of the Big Mac Crystals. It's just like so annoying. From there, I honestly don't know the rarities. Oh, hello Tab Tab. I'm kind of making a video. So I have the Fry Helmet, which I think is personally pretty cool. Next I have the Hamburglar, yes, like the McDonald's logo, and he's kind of like a zombie. Also my friend gave me the Hamburglar I just showed you, and this soda potion. Where's the McDonald's one? There it is, and the little straw. Last but not least, I don't know what all the hype is about this Grimace egg here. Everybody thinks it's rare. Meanwhile, I just got it on my first try for the adult meals. But I have to admit, he is pretty cool. So, yeah, anyway, bye guys.